line across the sky. Count together, join the fun. 1, 2, 3, and off we run. First is Mercury, small and fast, closest to the sun. I zoom right past, spinning quickly round. I race with my burning fiery face. Next is Venus, glowing bright. I spin the opposite way at night, wrapped in clouds from head to toe. With my blazing heat, I glow. I am Earth with oceans wide, mountains, forests, life inside. Home for creatures big and small, come and visit one and all. I'm Red Mars, the windy one, storms and dust beneath the sun. Cold at night and hot by day, the red planet is my name. I'm Jupiter, huge and strong, the biggest planet all along. My great red spot spins endlessly, a mighty storm you'll always see. I'm Saturn with rings so wide, moons and stars dance by my side. Round and round my circles gleam, join me in a cosmic dream. I'm Uranus, tipped so far, an icy blue and rolling star. Spinning sideways round I go, dancing gently to and fro. I'm Neptune, far and deep, with windy songs the cool seas keep. A world of blue so far away, like a fairy tale I stay. Round and round we spin in line, orbiting the sun so fine. 8 bright planets hand in hand, singing together across the land.